Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Shankar, Mr. Agarwal, Mr. Shekhar, and ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to be here today. Actually, it should be my father here who's giving the speech. But since he's not here, I'm basically talking about our relationship with Lancor and what I know about Mr. Shekhar's relationship with us. It was about 20 years ago when my father suddenly called me and said he was planning to buy an office space in Chennai. I was surprised, since he had so far been quite cautious about buying any property in Chennai. And he was certainly quite serious this time, and he asked me to meet the executives from Sanmar Properties. I was really curious as to who this person was who could give so much confidence to my father. That was the first time I met Mr. R.V. Shekhar. And I was immediately impressed. His energy and candor was impressive, and his ever-smiling face would certainly disarm anybody. So began our long association with Mr. R.V. Shekhar. He had met my father, Mr. Ramasubramania Raja, in connection with a proposal to buy 2 floors for our group. My father readily accepted the proposal and booked 2 floors which were subsequently constructed and developed, which now houses our Ramco flagship companies, Madras Cements and Ramco Industries. We have since acquired more space there too. After R.V. Shekhar left Sanmar Group and joined Lancor Holdings Limited, my father gave an order for purchase of 2 apartments in a project of Dr. Radhakrishnan Road, which Mr. Shekhar keeps saying was very important. I don't know why. And it was a gesture that was very important for a startup company. And subsequently, Mr. Shekhar approached me about a large plot near IIT, and that is when I immediately jumped in the idea, and we had Ramco Systems built with an integrated IT park. I think it was the first in Chennai, and that was meant to house the entire R&D of Ramco Systems. At that time, we had 1,000 people working on our enterprise software R&D, and we still have one of the largest R&D efforts going on in software by an Indian company to create large software products. Today, this building is still a reference point and landmark in that part of the city, and can hardly be missed by anybody. The order given by Ramco Systems, Mr. Shekhar keeps telling me, has encouraged Lancor to lift itself operationally to different levels, and our association continued. Needless to mention, we continue to supply all the cement also for the building. I missed. Yeah. Needless to mention that we continue to buy all our properties actually from Mr. Shekhar. In fact, 80% of all the properties we have bought in Chennai actually is from Mr. Shekhar. And the latest property we bought was a residential building in Powers Garden, which also he completed on time as he promised. I think Mr. Shekhar has never gone back on his promise. I mean, it's very surprising for a real estate company, actually. And so that was, we have had such great experience with them. Needless to mention, the cement used in the construction of all projects with Lamco Group has since, wherever he's developed, whether in Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, has always been supplied by our group company, Madras Cements, which is one of the important features of our relationship between Ramco Group and Lancor Group. Madras Cements has a special relationship with Ramco Group and has given confidence to the Lancor Group that cement will be continuously supplied to Lancor projects no matter what the difficulties are. In the meantime, Ramco Group's supplies have expanded to other products to the Lancor Group, including concrete, calcium silicate boards, and other materials. And the two-way relationship is bound only to grow in the future. Mr. Shekhar has now become a close family friend and is therefore there for all our important celebrations in our group. Mr. Shekhar keeps talking about his attendance of Founders Day celebrations, where he had the opportunity to listen to my father's speech about business philosophy and so on. And something must have really touched him there, because he keeps saying that from that he learned about the values of creating share values, being fair to all stakeholders, including employees, and sustainability of operations seems to be the important points he has taken from that. So I don't know what touched him, but I have kept hearing from this again and again from him. So we are glad that we have played an important role in the growth of Lanco Group, and we hope it grows to greater heights. Thank you.